Overview of the IELTS Writing Section. Unmasking the Mysteries. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into understanding the IELTS Writing Section. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of what to expect and how to strategize your preparation. Let's begin. The IELTS Writing Section comprises two tasks, Task 1 and Task 2. Task 1, General Training. You'll be presented with a situation and will be required to write a letter based on that scenario. It could be formal, semi-formal, or informal. Task 1, Academic. You have to describe, summarize, or explain some visual information like graphs, tables, or diagrams. Task 2, both academic and general training. This task requires you to write an essay in response to a viewpoint, argument, or problem. The topics can vary, but they are usually of general interest. Both tasks need to be completed within 60 minutes. For Task 1, aim for around 150 words, and for Task 2, around 250 words. When you're writing, remember that examiners focus on four main criteria. 1. Task achievement. Task 1. Response to the question. Task 2. Address all parts of the prompt. 2. Coherence and cohesion. Organize and link your ideas logically. 3. Lexical resource. Showcase your vocabulary range and precision. 4. Grammatical range and accuracy. Vary your sentence structures and keep errors minimal. Time management. Spend only 20 minutes on Task 1 and reserve 40 minutes for Task 2 since it carries more weight. Plan before you write. Sketch a quick outline. It will help you stay organized and coherent. Stay formal. Avoid slang, contractions, and overly casual language, especially in Task 2. Proofread. Once done, take a few minutes to check for any errors or points you might have missed. And there we have it. Now you have a better grasp of the IELTS writing section. Remember, practice makes perfect. By understanding the format and knowing what the examiners are looking for, you're already on the path to success. Keep practicing, stay focused, and you'll conquer this section with ease. All the best!